Hey, I just ordered today one of this USB socket for my Nissan 2015 Altima, and it can handle up to 4.8 amps. I guess both of the gonna be total current in both of these sockets. It came one of this patch lead, I think, to hook up with the in the fuse box there, and our extension lead as well. So let's check out how if it gonna does fit in my car. Then, so I ordered that socket to fit in this area here, and I made it sure because that's 23 wide and 30 in height, to make sure it does fit here properly. And the fuse box location is just here, so you just have to take this off and we have access to our fuse box. So I just took off this panel here to get access to these sockets here. So first you need to take this side panel off, just to pry it off from this side, and then there are two screws here. You have to remove this to get access one of bolt up here, then you have to remove that one, and then you can just take this panel off easily. And now we're going to unscrew these two, this one here as well, and this one. So we just push this in here, and it seems like a really exact fit, and we are going to put this back. For electric connection, I just found the 20 ampere fuse is for my power socket, so I'll just take this one out, and this jumper type cable going to insert in here. That's it, and just this positive goes to positive of this socket here, and the negative, this ground, I'll just use one of this ground is up here, if you guys can see. Yep, I'll just use this ground connection here, and that's it. Here is the finishing job, and it looks perfect. Also telling the voltage here as well. Looks good. Thanks for watching.